Okay, and then, I got some plugs here too. And I've got some plugs down here on the wall, and some of these are good plugs. Now see that plug right there? That looks all nice, right? Now look at this one. You see anything wrong with it? Get you right down there. That's a dark brown plug, and it's been painted over, so it looks like the other ones. How hokey is that? And they installed it upside down, and the little ground areas right here are broken off. So I'm going to take that off and replace that with a new plug. I'm looking over here, same thing. Here's a nice white plug there, and here's one upside down, a brown one. So I'm going to replace that. And you remember there was a plug right down there that I patched. Oh, that patch turned out really nice. Right here against the wall. Can't even see it now. It's so smooth, I don't even know where it's at exactly.